stop scrolling for a second, because I want to show you something that Barndominium social media does not want you to see. Not the $700,000 compounds, not the infinity pools on 50 acres, the real builds. The ones being finished right now in 2026 by actual families with actual budgets. According to the most current construction data, a fully finished Barndominium in most American markets costs between $95 and $145 per square foot for standard finishes. That means a home that genuinely looks like $1 million is being built for a fraction of that. I found 10 of them, and I promise you, at least 3 of them are going to make you rethink everything you assumed this budget could buy. Before we get into the homes, one thing worth knowing. These are realistic design concepts grounded in 2026 construction data, not specific addresses. Build costs vary based on your state, your lot, your builder, and the finishes you choose. In Oklahoma and Mississippi, consistently the 2 most affordable Barndominium states in the country, a 2,000 square foot finished Barndominium regularly comes in under $220,000. In Texas, the most established Barndominium market in America, the same home runs $85 to $130 per square foot, depending on region and finish level. What all 10 homes in this video share is a budget that most families reading a Barndominium magazine would assume was impossible for what they are getting. Let's count them down. The first home on this list is the one that tends to surprise people most because it is also the most affordable. A 1,600 square foot single slope Barndominium designed around what designers are calling the warm industrial aesthetic, which according to 2026 design trend data is now the fastest growing interior direction in the Barndominium market. Matte black steel panel exterior, dark charcoal standing seam roof, black framed windows. Inside, the exposed steel purlins are left visible in the ceiling and painted the same matte black as the exterior, an architectural move that costs less than painting them out and delivers far more visual character. Stained concrete floors in warm ochre, open shelving in the kitchen, a single dark island. Nothing extra, nothing wasted. What makes this home look expensive is not any individual finish decision, it is the discipline. Every dollar in this build went toward the structure and the ceiling treatment, and the ceiling does all the heavy lifting. The total all-in cost in a competitive rural Oklahoma or Mississippi market sits between $180,000 and $210,000 for 1,600 finished square feet. That is the warm industrial starter, and it is the one that proves the most important lesson in this entire video, that restraint, executed consistently, reads as luxury to anyone who walks through the door. Home 9 is where we start getting into the most requested aesthetic in the entire Barndominium market, modern farmhouse. According to every major 2026 Barndominium design survey, modern farmhouse remains the most popular exterior style being built right now, and for reasons that make complete financial sense. White board and batten siding costs less per square foot to install than almost any other premium exterior material available. The covered front porch, which is the signature element of this design, adds approximately $15,000 to $25,000 to a build. And in terms of perceived value and daily use, it is the best return on investment per dollar of any single feature in residential construction. Wrap it with cedar post columns, add simple wood ceiling planks on the porch soffit, and that $20,000 investment looks like $80,000 on the finished home. Inside this home, the ceilings are vaulted at 14 feet through the main living area, with exposed timber beams running the full length, stone fireplace as the anchor, a kitchen island at 10 feet with quartz countertops. The 10 to 14 foot island is, according to 2026 floor plan data, the single most requested interior feature in Barndominium builds this year. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, built on a clean rectangle to keep roofline costs down and redirect that money into the finishes that people actually see and touch. All-in cost in a mid-range rural market, $240,000 to $270,000 for approximately 2,000 to 2,100 square feet. Clean shell, intentional finishes, covered porch that gets used every single day. Home 8 flips the script on the white exterior assumption that dominates so much Barndominium content. This design uses what the 2026 design community is calling the dark exterior contrast strategy, and it is gaining ground fast. Dark charcoal or near black steel panel siding on the main body of the building, crisp white board and batten on a single accent section, usually the front gable or a wing. The contrast between the two materials does something to the eye that neither finish achieves on its own. It creates architectural depth on a completely flat facade, making a simple rectangular building read as intentionally designed rather than industrially built. Black framed windows throughout. A cedar wood accent entry flanked by warm landscape lighting. Inside, the dark exterior palette reverses completely. Warm white shiplap walls, warm oak shelving, polished concrete stained in amber. The contrast between outside and inside is where this design earns its premium perception. Visitors walk in expecting something industrial and find something warm and inviting. That psychological contrast is not accidental. It is a design principle that boutique hotels spend enormous budgets trying to engineer. In an 1,800 square foot Barndominium, you can achieve it through material selection and color choices that add almost nothing to the construction cost. All in a competitive Texas rural market, $210,000 to $250,000. Home 7 is where the floor plan itself becomes the primary luxury feature. A U-shaped Barndominium wrapping around a private central courtyard. And the reason this home belongs on a budget countdown is something most people do not immediately realize. That courtyard space, the pool, the outdoor kitchen, the covered sitting area, is not counted in the interior square footage. It is open sky. It costs $25 to $50 per square foot to develop versus $95 to $145 per square foot for equivalent finished interior space. A family building a U-shaped Barndominium with a 1,200 square foot courtyard is getting the functional equivalent of an additional 1,200 square foot room at a fraction of the cost. And the outdoor room sees more daily use than most interior rooms in the entire home. 2 wings, 1 central connecting section, single story throughout, which aligns directly with the dominant 2026 design trend away from 2-story layouts and toward horizontal plans that zone the home by function rather than by floor. Master suite in one wing, secondary bedrooms and a home office in the other. The central section as kitchen, dining, and living space with glass doors opening to the courtyard on both sides simultaneously. This home looks like a private resort to every visitor who sees it. It costs between $260,000 and $300,000 all in a rural Texas or Oklahoma market for approximately 1,900 to 2,100 square feet of interior space plus the courtyard zone. Home 6 is the one that generates the most disbelief when people see the build cost alongside the photos. A 1,900 square foot single slope Barndominium where the entire south-facing high wall is replaced with floor-to-ceiling fixed glass panels. The single slope roof creates one large, unbroken south-facing plane, which means the structural logic of the roof and the glass wall work in exactly the same direction. The glass does not fight the structure, it completes it. Natural light at 14 feet of height floods every surface of the interior from morning until late afternoon. You never turn a ceiling light on before 4 p.m. Over a 30-year ownership horizon, that is a real utility bill line item, not an aesthetic choice. The interior is deliberately minimal to not compete with the view the glass wall frames. Polished concrete floors, white walls, a linear fireplace on the interior back wall, a kitchen island in a muted gray. The landscape outside the glass is the decoration. In rural Texas, where this style is being built most frequently right now, the fixed glass panel system runs approximately $40,000 to $60,000 for a wall this size, which sounds expensive until you recognize that the wall also serves as the home's primary HVAC assist through passive solar gain in winter. All-in cost, $220,000 to $255,000. One of the most photographed homes in this video, and one of the most affordable. Home 5 is the most financially intelligent design on this list for one specific family, and it is a much larger percentage of the Barndominium market than most content acknowledges. A 1,500 square foot finished living space plus a 900 square foot integrated workshop under one continuous roofline. The reason this design makes the budget countdown is that the shop portion of a barndominium costs dramatically less per square foot than the living portion. No HVAC to residential standard, no interior wall finishing, no kitchen, no bathrooms, no flooring beyond sealed concrete. The combined footprint of 2,400 square feet delivers the square footage per dollar of a significantly larger budget without the cost of finishing every square foot to residential standard. The living space is finished cleanly and completely. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open kitchen and living area, polished concrete throughout. The kitchen at the transition point between the living space and the shop gives the homeowner a direct sightline into the workshop while cooking, a practical feature that every shop house owner who has it says they cannot imagine doing without. The workshop, 12-foot clear height, 2 large roll-up doors, 240-volt outlets, LED high bay lighting on a separate circuit. All-in cost in rural Texas, $230,000 to $265,000 for 2,400 combined square feet. Cost per square foot across the full footprint, approximately $100. That is genuinely one of the best square footage per dollar numbers available in residential construction anywhere in America right now. Home 4 proves that the most intelligent barndominium budget decision for a 2-generation family has almost nothing to do with the shape of the floor plan. It is a clean rectangle, 2,200 square feet, with a fully self-contained 600 square foot in-law suite at one end. Its own bedroom, its own bathroom, its own kitchenette, its own exterior entrance, and a single connecting interior door that locks from either side. That 600 square foot suite, integrated into the existing steel frame and foundation, costs approximately $60,000 to $75,000 as part of this build. A separately constructed guest cottage or in-law unit on the same property costs $120,000 to $180,000 for the same outcome. The integrated approach saves a real family $60,000 to $120,000 while delivering the same daily independence. No shared hallway, no negotiated schedule, no privacy compromise. All-in cost in a rural Mississippi or Oklahoma market, $250,000 to $280,000 for 2,200 total square feet. Home 3 is the design that best captures what 2026 Barndominium design data identifies as the dominant interior direction this year, what designers are calling refined rustic. The outside is a clean 2-material exterior, dark charcoal steel panel on the lower third of the wall, white board and batten above the window line, cedar accent panels at the entry, black framed windows, simple gable roofline. Inside, the tension between industrial and warm resolves completely in favor of warm. Exposed wooden ceiling beams stained dark walnut left raw against the spray foam insulated steel roof above. Shiplap in warm white through the main living zone. Polished concrete floors, a stone fireplace surround, a kitchen in sage green and white with a quartz waterfall island at 12 feet, the most requested kitchen feature in 2026 floor plan data. Nothing in this home is expensive individually. Everything in it works together at a level that reads as curated and intentional. All-in cost in a rural Tennessee or Georgia market, $260,000 to $295,000 for approximately 2,100 square feet. This is the home that most visitors to a Barndominium showroom would assume costs $450,000. It does not. It costs what it costs because every finish decision was made to support every other finish decision. And in residential design, that coherence is worth more per dollar than any individual upgrade you could name. Home 2 makes this list at number 2 for one reason above all others. It is the proof that geometry is worth more than money in Barndominium design. An L-shaped barndominium, where the corner outdoor zone, the sheltered private patio created where the 2 wings meet, is developed with a small concrete deck, a fire pit, string lights, and an outdoor kitchen for approximately $20,000. That outdoor zone is not counted in the home's 1,700 square foot interior. It adds approximately 350 square feet of weather-protected functional outdoor living at a cost that represents a fraction of what that square footage would cost as interior space. every person who has visited this home has estimated its build cost above $400,000. The actual all-in number in a rural Georgia market is $290,000 to $310,000. The exterior uses the dark steel and white board and batten 2 material strategy that is trending across every major 2026 Barndominium design publication. Cedar entry panels, black windows. The contrast reads as architectural intention rather than budget constraint because it was architectural intention from day one. Home 1 is the #1 pick, not because it is the most dramatic, not because it has the biggest glass wall or the most striking exterior, but because it delivers something that the other 9 homes each sacrifice something to achieve: complete balance. A 2,300 square foot single story on a clean footprint, covered front porch running the full width of the facade, vaulted timber beam ceiling through the main living zone, floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace as the room's anchor, a kitchen island at 14 feet, the longest on this list, with quartz countertops and ceiling-height custom cabinetry, hidden walk-in pantry, covered rear patio accessed through oversized sliding glass doors from the dining area, master suite completely separated from secondary bedrooms by the central living zone, giving both ends of the home genuine acoustic and visual privacy. Nothing in this home is the best version of any single feature. The glass wall in Home 6 is more dramatic. The courtyard in Home 7 is more resort-like. The shop in Home 5 is more functional for a specific use case. But this home is the one where every element works for every family stage. Young children supervised through the glass doors to the rear patio, teenagers with acoustic separation at the secondary bedroom end, aging parents arriving to a single-story layout with 0 stairs anywhere on the property. According to the most current 2026 single-story Barndominium design data, this horizontal zoning approach is the fastest-growing configuration in the market right now. And when you spend time in one, you understand immediately why. All-in cost in a competitive rural Texas or Tennessee market, $270,000 to $310,000 for 2,300 square feet. That is the #1 pick, and it is the home I would build if I were building today. 10 homes, 10 different answers to the same question. What can a realistic Barndominium budget actually buy in 2026? The honest answer, backed by current construction data, is more than most people think and less than social media wants you to believe. The families who get the most for their budget are not the ones who try to replicate the $600,000 showcase home at half the price. They are the ones who identify what matters most to their specific family: the courtyard, the shop, the in-law suite, the porch, and build the rest of the home as a clean, disciplined platform that supports that one decision. Drop a comment right now. Tell me which of these 10 homes is closest to what you are planning to build, and what state you're building in. I read every comment and respond personally. Like this if it changed what you thought was possible at this budget. Share it with whoever is building alongside you. Subscribe for more content that goes this deep into the real numbers and real designs.